May the Lord raise her up at the last day, we pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
She fought the good fight, finished the race, she kept the faith. May she now receive from Christ the crown of eternal glory, which Christ has won for us by his death and resurrection. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For our brothers and sisters, our relatives, for all who are close to us and good to us, may God give them the reward of their goodness. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For all those who have died in the hope of rising again, may the Lord welcome them into the light of his presence. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For all who have gathered here to worship in faith, may the Lord make us one in his kingdom. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayers for our dead brothers and sisters. Forgive them their sins and bring them to the fullness of their salvation. We ask this through Christ